Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new and viewing, welcome. Today I'll be having my hair done by my mother. She did this hairstyle on me. We used some bulk hair, human hair from Lockbraids. It was their kinky straight textured hair. And we came up with this beautiful style that is very natural and very comfortable for this hot summer heat because it's short but it's still breathable with the braids and the hair being crochet in. You won't feel like you have a wig on your head or you're burning up in this summer heat with that sun blazing on you. This texture of this hair is amazing. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into this install process that my mother did on me. You're going to get a few different frames here and there, and this was the final look. We did cut it a little bit, did some flexi rods in it to get this curl pattern that you see here, or this curl style, but you can wear this hair straight since it's human hair. But that's besides the point. I'm already getting into the review. Let's go ahead and jump into the video, and thank you to Lockbraids Hair for sending this hair over to me. Thank you guys for watching. Let's jump into it. So my mom has braided my hair back, and then she's crocheting the hair in. We're taking little pieces by pieces. This is the human hair from Lockbraids Hair. This is what it comes in. I got 3 packs. It was like 4 extension pieces here. So it's like bulk braiding hair, but we're crocheting it in. It's like a kinky texture type hair. I'm just pulling piece by piece and she's crocheting. I'm gonna start over here on this side. So from this little bundle here, I'm just pulling a piece out like that much, right? And then I'm just adding a little bit of some hair gel right here in the middle, so it's easier to grasp with the crochet tool. I'm gonna do this front little piece.
Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
too hot. Let her run work 'cause you shot. The whole world love you when you hot. Think I ain't gave me a shot.
30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight.
I put these in my head last night. Let me see how they turn out today to wear. Honestly, I love it. I think this is so cute. Like, you did an amazing job. I wish my hair looked like this. Like, this feel like this could be my hair. I love it. Ooh. Let me find out. I'm gonna be ordering some more of this hair so you can do it again. Alright, so here we are. Final look here. This is the second day after it's gotten done. Do you see how beautiful and shiny this looks? It looks so natural and realistic for the middle part, right? And I got a lot of faux head, so I have to bring my hair forward just a little bit, just to kind of camouflage it some. But doesn't it look like a little cute natural hairstyle? You can also wear it straight too. Like, I had it straight for a little bit, but I'm more of a curls girl than I am with straight hair. And mind you, this hair texture is kinky texture, so keep that in mind. So it's giving my hair. And then you get two hairstyles in one. We can pull this up because of the way that it's installed. I could do a little hairstyle like this too. Find a hair clip right now, but you get my vibe, like pulling it up. And I'm gonna keep this hairstyle in for a good 2 weeks, as long as I take care of it to make sure it lasts. Like this hair, loving the fact that it's human hair. I'm loving that it also is holding this curl. It looks so natural. It feels good. Very soft texture hair. It's taking heat even when I was straightening it. So, like when it got blow dried out and straightened, it looked good. So if you guys are interested in this bulk hair, make sure you check that link in my description bar. They also have some crochet options for you as well. It's definitely worth checking out. Thank you to Lockbraids here for sending this over. Shout out to my mama for doing my hair, and thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know what you think about the hairstyle in the comments. I definitely want to hear it.